and welcome back to my vlog. I am jamming out to Drake's new album. It's just so good. I absolutely love it. It's in my summer 2018 playlist if you want to check out my favorite songs from the album, which is always listed down below. But I am just on my way to my 7:15 workout class at Orange Theory. I am so excited, but I did go yesterday, so I skipped all week because my knee's been hurting. So I'm so excited to go. And I'm just a little nervous though because my leg has been hurting, so I'm hoping it's like better. I hope the week off really helped, and I think that's really important if you are on your fitness journey. Let me put my windows up. If you are on your fitness journey, to take a rest if need be. But it was a nice week off, but I'm excited to get back into the groove of things and everything. But I'm just on my way to the gym. I'm running late like usual, but it is beach theme today at Orange Theory, which I was like, I don't really know what to wear for beach theme at the gym, you know, because I typically always just wear like all black outfits. So I'll insert a little clip of my outfit because I think it qualifies for beach theme, so I'll insert it right now. I just have on those Fabletics leggings, and I honestly have never worn these to Orange Theory before. Like, I've done them for like strength workouts and stuff, but I've never gone running in them, so I'm interested to see how this goes. But I'm just gonna jam out to Drake while I get to the gym, and I'll update you guys after, just because I do not want to be late and everything. So I hope you're having a great day so far. Thank you so much for clicking onto my vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh my goodness, you guys. My whole body just hurts so bad, but it was such a great workout. I'm so happy I went. I seriously just love Orange Theory. I definitely recommend it to anyone who's thinking about it. It's so much fun. So I am on my way home now. It's beautiful outside. It's 75 degrees. It's still kind of crisp in the morning. It's only 8:20. I haven't updated you guys for a while. I did shower. My hair is currently air drying. I'm going to the pool in a little bit. My friend invited me. I was just about to start styling it, and she texted me and she's like, hey, do you want to go swimming? I was like, sure. So, you know, we're just gonna leave it like this. And I did put a little bit of makeup on because I knew I was vlogging for you guys, and I just like to have a little bit of makeup. So I just have on my eyebrows, some highlight, some mascara, and some chapstick. Very simple, very light, just how I like it in the summer. It literally takes me like 5 minutes to put on my makeup in the summertime, so you know, it's all good. Except when I'm filming. When I do filming days, I like to put a little bit more makeup on. The lighting is super weird right now. I feel like it's a little bit blue. Sorry about that. It's because my wallpaper on my computer is blue, so it's like tinting everything. But I'm just at my desk editing right now because I'm trying to get this video edited and upload it for tomorrow before I go out, in case I like get busy later. So that is the game plan. I do want to paint my nails because they're plain right now, and I seriously love having my nails painted. So this is Sinful Colors. It's in the shade YOLO Yellow. I just feel like it's super cute. It's not really focusing. I've never used it before. I'm super excited to try it out. I just can't wait to get some nail polish on my fingers. It's been a great day so far. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog. All I've done so far is gone to the gym and worked out, but it was beach theme at the gym today, which is so much fun. They've been doing like spirit days lately, which is just so cute. They did like red, white, and blue theme like 2 weeks ago. Today was beach theme. I think they have like an orange out coming up soon. I seriously love Orange Theory. It's just gonna be a great day, and I can't wait to go swimming, but I need to get this done, and now I'm just like procrastinating by talking to you guys. So I'll update you guys very soon, but I need to get this video edited. Okay, so my videos are importing, so I'm not really procrastinating right now. I wanted to talk about how cute my new pillowcase from United Monograms is. If you haven't seen that haul, I'll insert a card, but it just looks so adorable. Oh my gosh. It matches the Lily Pulitzer bedding perfectly. So if you have the same bedding as me, I definitely recommend it. Even if you don't have Lily Pulitzer bedding and just have like white bedding or something, or you can get it to match your current bedding, but it's just so cute. I feel like it's just so extra, like over the top preppy, and I absolutely love it. And I really wanted to tell you guys that before I forgot, but my videos are imported, so I'm getting back to editing now. Video is done being edited. I painted my nails, absolutely love the color, and now it is time to pack the pool bag. I think I'm going to mix and match my swimsuits today. I'm going to use this super cute halter navy blue one with my Gingham Lauren James bikini bottoms. I think it's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited, and I got my pool bag packed. I'm just so excited. I just threw on this little sundress from Shein on top of my swimmies. I have on my Jack Rogers. I am ready to go. I'm so excited. I put some sunscreen on. I'm using the Copper Tone Sport Fit Teen because it's waterproof, but I have like a base tan going on, so I've been loving this product, and I think the Fit Teen is just perfect. So I'm gonna put this in my pool bag and get going. On my way to my friends to go to the pool. I'm so excited. It's so hot. My car says 97 degrees. What? Hey guys, I am back from the pool. It was such a fun day, like just relaxing by the pool, catching up with my friend and everything. So I did get a lot of sun. I'm kind of sunburned. I'm hoping it turns tan tomorrow so I'm not like a lobster all week. Usually my sunburn fades, so I think this will be okay. I did put sunscreen on. I did not forget, but I just got so much sun, I think because I was outside for so long. I took a shower when I got home, redid my hair and makeup, and I'm dressed to go out to dinner with my family very soon, but I have like 20 minutes before we leave, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got in the mail because I got 2 packages in the mail today, and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. So I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod and we're going to do like a little unboxing. I'm so excited. Got these packages. So the first one that I want to share with you guys is from Everything 5 pounds. I did open this because this is a English company, so it came all the way from England, which I'm so excited about. They reached out to me through my email and they were like, hey, we'd love to have you try a few of our products. Everything's only 5 pounds, which is the currency there, which I'm so excited to try it out. And I was like, oh my gosh, I want to know what the quality's like. It's so inexpensive. So the first thing that I picked out was this workout set, and it was really cute. Also, it's like neon pink, and it's just like these leggings that are like this really fun gray neon pink, and then the leggings like ombre down to hot pink, and it comes with this matching crop top. And I picked this out because 1, it was really cute. Secondly, I love workout clothes, but thirdly, I was so curious because the sizing on it was one size fits all for like 8 through 14 on the European sizing, and I was like, I'm so curious to see how this fits. And the reviews were amazing, like saying it was so comfortable and everything, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try it out. So I tried it, and oh my goodness, it fits so well. It's so comfortable, and I'm like so mind blown that it was only $5 for the set. So cute, and I love it. I just love the colors. It's so bold and so fluorescent, and I'm super excited to be styling it and wearing it. I'll have all of the products listed down below again if you want to check it out, along with their website. And I picked out 3 other things, and I did put them on hangers because I've had this package all week and I've been dying to share it with you guys in my vlog. So I picked up these shorts as well, and they're just these really fun like metallic-y gold shorts. They're stretchy. They just remind me of like party pants, you know, like wear it with a fun top, like a fun bold like hot pink or black top, and I just think they're so cute. I did get these in a size large because I was so unsure of the European sizing. They are a little big on me. I probably could have fit in the medium for sure, but they're really comfortable. They'll probably be great little going out pants. I picked up this dress as well, and it's so cute. So you get to tie the sleeve, so I tied it to the tightest possible one because I ordered the wrong size, but that is because I wasn't sure of the European sizing. So I got a size 10. It was a little big on me, but it does fit, and it's just this really simple white linen dress. It has a really cute ruffle on the bottom, which you guys know I'm obsessed with ruffles at the moment. I just think this is a perfect like beach dress, a pool cover up, honestly just like a go-to summer outfit if you're like not sure what to wear and you just want to throw on some colorful flip-flops in your hair in a messy bun. Perfect outfit, absolutely love it. And the last thing I picked out, and this one is so cute, solid, I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. So it is yellow. You guys know I'm obsessed with the color yellow right now. My nails are even painted yellow. I got this shirt and it says be kind with a bumblebee, and it just has these really pretty flower details, and I didn't know this when I ordered it, but it's like a preppy t-shirt material. It's like that brand of t-shirts. I got it in a size medium. It's a little big on me, but I think it's super cute. It's just great, like a great casual t-shirt, and I love the message on it. So again, if you do want to shop any of these pieces, I will have them listed down below if you want to check them out, but I'm just so excited about that. I can't wait to style all those pieces. And the next thing I got was my ELLIE package. You guys know I love getting my monthly workout outfit from ELLIE, and this month is so stinking adorable. So it is July, which is 4th of July. I seriously love 4th of July. It's one of my favorite holidays, and I got this package and I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my goodness, I hope I get the stars pattern because they just released it on their Instagram, and I did. I'm so excited, you guys. So the leggings are so stinking cute. They have a waistband with little stars on them like all the way around. so cute, and they're just like navy, and you guys know navy is like such a preppy color, and the bottoms just have this mesh, but on the back of it, it has more stars on it, and I just think it's so cute. They fit me perfectly. I don't know if they're cropped or not, but they just fit my leg perfectly. Like, they're the perfect length, and I'm 5'4", and usually leggings are pretty long on me, and I have to roll them up, so that's definitely a win. And then it came with the matching sports bra, and it's just like this navy sports bra, really cute, and the back of it has such a fun design on it. I feel like they have the cutest sports bras, so it's like all strappy and just super cute, and you can see it through the mesh top, and the top's probably one of my favorites next to the leggings. So it is this like hooded short sleeve sweatshirt type thing, but it doesn't feel like a sweatshirt because it's really lightweight, and it's just like a soft material. It has a hood and the cute little neck, and then it has this mesh bar in the middle of it, and then it's just white again, short sleeve. It's kind of like a tank top, and then the back of it is completely mesh, so you get to see the sports bra through it. Super fun. I seriously am going to be wearing this all the time, especially to the gym, just like out walking around. I just think it's so cute. It's so comfortable, and it's perfect for summer. So those are the two packages that I got in the mail, and I did go to Walgreens after the pool just to get some nail polish remover because I ran out. So this is in the haul. So I just got the regular nail polish remover. I picked it out honestly because the wrapping was pink. That happened. And then I also picked up some scrunchies because I really think these are going to make a comeback, and I want them to. I remember wearing these as a little kid, and I remember my mom wearing them, and then I like went out of style and we got rid of all our scrunchies, and me and my mom were talking. I'm like, I think scrunchies are making a comeback. So I picked up some scrunchies. I got like the black, the gray, and the white pack. I'm super excited to try these out and put them in my hair. I think it would honestly even look cute with the outfit I'm wearing right now, just to put it on top for a big splash of white color. But I'm super excited to try these out. I just thought I would share that with you guys. But that is everything that I picked out. So I hope you guys have been enjoying this vlog. I seriously love bringing you guys along with me. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do. I do have to get going for dinner, so I'm going to show you guys my outfit in my big OOTD mirror, and then I'm going to end the vlog. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit real quick. This is literally what happens when you film a haul. It just like all ends up on your floor. But you know, we're just going to step over that. So again, ignore the mess in the background. That is just the clothing haul that we just did. But this is what I'm going to be wearing out to dinner tonight. I just have my hair in this little updo. It's like half up, half down. Then I have on this matching blue and white set from Shein. I wore it so much last summer. I just absolutely love it. It does fit true to size. I'm wearing a size medium. Then I just have on my Teddy Blake handbag and my sandals that I got in France from a street market. I just think it's such a fun outfit. Super cute. So I'm just going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed following me along on my day. And if you are new to my channel and this is your first video you're watching of me, hi, I'm so happy you watched this video. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel and checking out my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you are new. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest videos. But I just have to get going now because I do not want to be running late, and I hope you guys have a great day. Stay positive, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!